take a deep breath and allow yourself to be enveloped by the gentle words of affirmation that follow. Let each phrase wash over you like a soothing balm, bringing comfort and healing to your mind, body, and soul. Settle into a relaxed position, letting your breathing find an easy, natural rhythm as you open your heart to self-love and inner peace. I am a vessel of healing energy, and I allow it to flow through me freely. With each breath, I release tension and welcome a sense of deep relaxation. I trust in my body's innate wisdom and its ability to heal itself. I surround myself with positive, supportive people who uplift and inspire me. I nourish my body with wholesome foods that fuel my vitality and well-being. I engage in activities that bring me joy, knowing that happiness is essential to my healing. I embrace my emotions, acknowledging them without judgment and allowing them to pass through me. I cultivate a mindset of gratitude, focusing on the blessings in my life. I release any guilt or shame I may be harboring, knowing that I am worthy of love and compassion. I forgive myself for past mistakes, understanding that they have shaped me into the person I am today. I am gentle with myself, honoring my unique healing journey and trusting in the process. I surround myself with the colors, sounds, and scents that soothe and uplift my spirit. I create a sacred space within myself, a sanctuary of peace and tranquility. I release any resentment or anger I may be holding on to, choosing instead to embrace forgiveness and understanding. I am open to receiving love and support from others, knowing that I don't have to face my challenges alone. I trust in the universe to guide me towards the people, resources, and experiences that will support my healing. I am deserving of a life filled with vibrant health, joy, and abundance. I release any limiting beliefs that no longer serve me, embracing a narrative of hope and possibility. I honor my body's need for rest and rejuvenation, giving myself permission to pause and recharge. I surround myself with the healing energy of nature, finding solace in the beauty of the earth. I trust in the wisdom of my intuition, listening to the gentle whispers of my inner voice. I embrace change, knowing that it is an essential part of my growth and transformation. I am resilient, possessing the strength and courage to overcome any obstacle. I cultivate a deep sense of self-love, treating myself with kindness and compassion. I surround myself with the healing vibrations of music, allowing it to soothe and uplift my soul. I release any fears or anxieties about the future, choosing instead to stay grounded in the present moment. I am open to exploring new paths and possibilities on my healing journey. I trust in the cyclical nature of life, knowing that even the darkest of times will eventually give way to light. I am connected to a vast network of support, both seen and unseen. I embrace my sensitivity as a gift, allowing myself to feel deeply and authentically. I release any need for perfection, accepting myself unconditionally in this moment. I am worthy of a life filled with love, laughter, and endless possibility. I trust in the healing power of time, knowing that each day brings me closer to wholeness. I am connected to the divine source of all life, drawing strength and guidance from this eternal wellspring. I embrace my body as a sacred temple, treating it with reverence and care. I release any shame or guilt associated with my past, embracing a future filled with hope and redemption. I am surrounded by the healing energy of love, both the love I give and the love I receive. I trust in my ability to create positive change in my life, one small step at a time. I am open to the transformative power of forgiveness, both for myself and others. I embrace my shadows and my light, knowing that both are essential parts of my being. I release any need to compare my journey with others, honoring the uniqueness of my path. I am surrounded by the healing energy of gratitude, finding joy in the simple blessings of life. I trust in the power of my breath to anchor me in the present moment and calm my mind. I am open to receiving the abundance of the universe, knowing that there is always enough. I embrace my creativity as a powerful tool for healing and self-expression. I release any attachment to outcomes, surrendering to the wisdom of the journey. I am surrounded by the healing energy of laughter, finding lightness and joy even in difficult times. I trust in the resilience of my spirit, knowing that I have the strength to rise above any challenge. I embrace the healing power of community, knowing that I am never alone on my journey. I am open to the messages and guidance that come to me in dreams, trusting in the wisdom of my subconscious mind. I surround myself with the healing energy of art, finding solace and inspiration in the creations of others. I release any resistance to change, embracing the ebb and flow of life with grace and ease. I am grateful for the challenges that have shaped me, knowing that they have made me stronger and wiser. I trust in the healing power of my own voice, speaking my truth with clarity and conviction. I embrace the healing energy of movement, honoring my body's need for expression and release. I am open to the synchronicities and miracles that unfold on my path, trusting in the magic of the universe. I surround myself with the healing energy of forgiveness, releasing the burdens of the past. I trust in the power of my imagination to create a reality filled with love, joy, and abundance. I embrace the healing energy of connection, opening my heart to the love and support of others. I am grateful for the lessons and blessings of my journey, knowing that everything happens for a reason. I trust in the wisdom of the universe to guide me towards my highest good, even when the path is unclear. I embrace the healing power of surrender, letting go of the need to control and trusting in the flow of life. I am surrounded by the healing energy of hope, knowing that even the darkest of nights will eventually give way to dawn. I trust in the transformative power of self-love, knowing that it is the foundation of all. I embrace the healing energy of gratitude, choosing to focus on the abundance of blessings in my life. I release any fears or doubts that may arise, knowing that I am always guided and supported on my path. I am open to the infinite possibilities that exist for my healing and growth, knowing that there are no limits to what I can achieve. I surround myself with the healing energy of faith, trusting in the benevolence of the universe and the strength of my own spirit. I embrace the healing power of this present moment, knowing that it is the only true reality. I am grateful for the opportunity to heal and grow, knowing that each step on my journey is a sacred gift. I trust in the infinite wisdom of my soul, knowing that it will always guide me towards my highest good. As you allow these affirmations to sink deep into your being, feel a sense of peace and renewal wash over you. Know that you are supported, loved, and forever connected to the infinite source of healing that resides within. Trust in your journey and remember that with each breath, you are one step closer to the wholeness and joy that is your birthright. Carry this sense of inner peace with you as you move forward, knowing that you have the strength and resilience to overcome any challenge that may arise. And so it is.